All right, this will be the elevator at Macy's, Glenbrook Square Mall, Fort Wayne, Indiana. Now, this Macy's looks pretty old. They have Otis escalators. Let's see what kind of elevator. Oh, it's an MT. I can already see it from here. All right, here it is. Let's take it for a ride. Interesting border around the button. This thing is definitely not original to the store. Here it is. April of 2000. This is what the interlock says. One re-level. There's your certificate. 2,500 pound capacity. There's your phone. You can go to 3. Tell you what, definitely goes up faster than it goes down.